Hey guys, it's Ben from Hilltop Packs, and today we're going to talk about something super exciting: pot rags, cleaning rags for your cook kit. And so we make two different sizes. This is made of microfiber, so the small and the large. We have a couple different colors on the website. We're probably going to add more colors in the future. But microfiber is like the perfect fabric for your cleaning kit. So it holds a lot of water, easily clean things up, and then you can easily rinse it back out, and it does dry really quickly when you lay it out flat to dry. Yeah, two different sizes, a couple different colors there. And I'll show you how it works. You take your cook kit, put it right on top, goes right in, no problem. Pull it back out, and this is a 550 pot. Here is your 750 liter pot. That'll fit in there just fine as well. But I'm going to show you even the large will fit. The large rag will fit in the 750 pot. So if you want more of a cleaning rag, you can still use the larger size, and it still fits really well in there. Pull it back out. So they're not too big, not too thick. The right size for your cleaning kit, like I said, the small is probably what I'm going to be using. But if you want more of a rag, definitely get the large. It is made of microfiber. We cut them here in the shop. We serge them here in the shop. Keep the edges nice and clean. The problem with cutting microfiber is it'll fray really bad. So you can't just like go buy a microfiber towel and cut it to size, because it'll just fray like crazy. So we do serge the edges all the way around. Microfiber is like the perfect cleaning cloth for like camp, because it's going to hold a lot of water, which is good. It absorbs water really well. It also rinses out really easy, and it dries even quicker. You can hand wash this, lay it flat to dry. Available now on the website. All the sizes and weights are all listed on the website. If you got something bigger like a jet boil, again, the large might be the better option for you. But if you have a small kit like a 750, even a 900 or a 550, the small, and you want to go as minimal as possible, this is the perfect little size. We try to keep the prices somewhat competitive on the website. They're made right here in our shop. So if you have any questions, hit us up. Answer those questions as best as we can. Thank you so much for watching this riveting video on pot rags or cook kit cleaning towels, or whatever you want to call these things, but they're available right now at hilltoppacks.com.